next step is how you take care of girls.
Cool. You're the man.
Move back a little bit. Go back. There we go. Dance right there. Oh. Ready? Dance. Follow him a bit. You go over where the girls are.
That's cool, buddy. Show me how you dance again. Show me how you dance.
You're a rapper.
I got up that hill.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Four-wheeler.
We can ride on.
You gonna go dance for the girls?
Yeah.
All right, come on, let's go, buddy.
Okay.
You gotta dance for the girls, Mace? Dance for the girls, buddy. Show us how you dance, buddy. You gotta dance for the girls. Huh?
Yeah.
Yes, yeah. Which one? That one? I can't because the sun will be in my face. Here, come stand on this bench, Mace. Come stand on the bench and show me how you dance. Get out of that water. Get out of that water. And show me how you dance on the bench?
Yeah.
Man, you're a rock star. Look at this way. Show me how you dance. Man, you're just boogieing on down.
Look.
Is that how Justin Timberlake dances?
Yeah.
Cool. What song does he sing? What song does Justin Timberlake sing? Oh, okay. You're a good dancer, Mace. Cool. Cool. You're the man. Give me a high five for that one. Yeah, good dancer.
Again.
Go ahead, go for it. Huh?